Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Priyanka Singh from Easy Maths. Today I am going to explain one of the most important property from the chapter Properties of Triangle. The name of this property is exterior angle property of a triangle. So first of all, you know about the angles. Which angles you can tell them interior and which angles you can tell them exterior. Okay, so angles which are inside the triangle, angles which are inside the triangle is known as interior angles. So you can see here angle A, angle B and angle ACB are interior angles. Angle A, angle B and angle ACB are called interior angles. Other side, angle ACD, that means this angle is known as exterior angle. Okay, so in short you can say like this: angles which are inside the triangle is known as interior angles, and angles which are outside of triangle is known as exterior angles. So one of the figure you can see here, it may be like this. In this figure also, this is exterior and inside the triangle interior. Understood? In this figure also you can see here. Now in this figure, this angle is known as exterior, whereas these are is known as interiors. Understood? So in simple words you can say like this: angles which are made inside the triangle is known as interior angles, and angles which are outside of the triangle is known as exterior angles. So by this explanation you can classify the interior angles and exterior angles. So one of the most important property from properties of triangle chapter depends on this knowledge. This property is known as exterior angle property of a triangle. So exterior angle property of triangle, let's check what the magic in this property. So in short, first I want to figure it here that suppose you have a triangle like this and this line extended to form D, that means produce 2D and ABC. Okay, so here you can see that you have a triangle ABC and this side BC produce to D. ओके, यहाँ पे आप ये चीज़ देखो कि आपके पास एक ट्रायंगल है जिसका नाम है ABC और इस ट्रायंगल में इसका जो वन साइड है BC, इसको हम एक्सटेंड करके D तक लेकर गए हैं. Okay, so in this figure few angles are formed. You can see angle A, angle B and angle ACB are called interior angles, whereas angle ACD is called here exterior angle. Just put some name for it. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and give angle 4. Okay, so this is the figure. Name of interior angles: angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and name of exterior angle here angle 4. So these are the name of angles. Now I want to explain that what is the main thing in this property, which name is exterior angle property. So its name is exterior angle property of triangle. So main thing is come here exterior angle. So 110% sure that this property is depends on exterior angle. Okay, so what is in this property? So this property tells us that if a side of a triangle, that means this thing, if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed. Try to understand. If a side, so in this triangle, side BC, if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed. अगर हम एक ट्रायंगल के साइड को प्रोड्यूस कर देते हैं, एक्सटेंड कर देते हैं, तो एक एंगल फॉर्म्ड हो रहा है. ओके, सो दिस एंगल is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So it's opposite, this one and this one. These both angles are interior angles. Second point, opposite of exterior angle. Okay, so that's why you can say like this, that exterior angle and exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of, that means 1 plus angle 2, sum of, and these both angles is known as interior, yes, interior opposite angles. Okay, these both angles are interior opposite angles. So when you add these both angles, this measures equal to exterior angle. Okay, understood? So this is sum of two interior opposite angles equal to an exterior angle. Understood? ध्यान से समझो इस प्रॉपर्टी को. दिस इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी एंड You can use it in standard 9 also. तो इसलिए हम आपको अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करना चाहते हैं कि इस प्रॉपर्टी के जो अंदर क्या चीज़ें आती है, क्या मेन टॉपिक है। तो इस प्रॉपर्टी के अंदर जो मेन थिंग है वो ये चीज़ है कि एक जो इसका एक्सटीरियर एंगल है उसका जो मेज़र होगा वो इक्वल होगा किसके, ट्रायंगल के टू इंटीरियर, टू अपोजिट इंटीरियर। आई टेल यू अपोजिट, आई एम नॉट मेंशन दिस वन, हम इसको मेंशन नहीं कर रहे हैं, मैंने इसको मेंशन किया है अपोजिट ऑफ दिस, इसके अपोजिट। इसके अपोजिट में क्या हो रहा है, एंगल 1 एंगल 2। So I mentioned these both angles, and I told you earlier that this is inside the triangle, so this is interior angles. Okay, so इसलिए हम आपको बोलना चाहते हैं कि ये जो एंगल होगा वो इक्वल होगा सम ऑफ दिस टू इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल्स के। so यही आपको एक प्रॉपर्टी दिमाग में रखनी है, एंड इट्स नेम इज एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी। इन शॉर्ट यू कैन से दैट एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी। ओके, तो एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी क्या होता है, एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी ये होता है कि एन एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ इट्स इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल्स, सम ऑफ इट्स इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल्स। ओके, तो ये आपको दिमाग में रखना है। ओके, नाउ लेट्स प्रूव इट। इसको प्रूव करते हैं कि आखिर ये कैसे पॉसिबल है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द थ्योरम, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस थ्योरम, इफ अ साइड ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज प्रोड्यूस्ड, अगर हम ट्रायंगल के साइड को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, देन द एक्सटीरियर एंगल सो फॉर्म, तो एक एक्सटीरियर एंगल बनता है, इज इक्वल टू द सम, जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल बनेगा वो इक्वल होगा टू द सम ऑफ द टू इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल्स, ट्रायंगल के दो इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल्स के सम के बराबर। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस theorem, you have to first figure out like this. Okay, this is triangle ABC, and I produce a side here BC, okay, to D. Okay, so whatever I mention here, just write down. Let a side, and this theorem is very important because this one also asks in standard 9. That's why I want to explain. Okay, and I think if concept of triangle is clear, if you have concept of triangles and their properties, then I don't think like in standard 9 you have any problem to solve their theorems, their questions and anything. Okay, so please pay attention on this theorem. Let a side BC of a triangle ABC be produced to D, forming exterior angle ACD. So whatever I draw here, I mention let a side BC, that means this side BC of a triangle ABC, this triangle के एक side BC को be produced to D, D तक प्रोड्यूस किया जा रहा है, फॉर्मिंग एक्सटीरियर एंगल ACD, और इससे हम एक एंगल प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं जिसका नाम है ACD. Okay, now next step I told you that give name of these angles. Okay, you can write like this: angle 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this one 4. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the name of angle A, angle B, angle ACB, and angle ACD. Now, so this line you understand. Next step is we know that. Okay, क्या मैं यहाँ पे आप जानते हो? So you know that the sum of the angles of a triangle, that means sum of angles, interior angles, sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180. हम जानते हैं कि एक ट्रायंगल के इंटीरियर एंगल्स का जो सम होता है वो 180 के इक्वल होता है. So here is the angles 1, 2, 3. That means sum of angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 is equal to 180. ये तो हम जानते हैं कि ट्रायंगल के एंगल्स का सम कितना होता है, 180 होता है. So just write down that your knowledge here, that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, this is the knowledge, and according to this knowledge you can write here angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. Just put it here, equation 1. Okay, next that but what? Just check the figure. First thing, you know that the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. इन तीनों को ऐड करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, 180 आएगा. And you can see here this is a straight line. Okay, this is a straight line. So angle which are formed here, formed on this straight line. Okay, जो angles यहाँ पर form हो रहे हैं इस straight line में, so they are linear pair. And you know that angles which are formed on a straight line, they are equal to 180. This is the property of linear pair, that linear angles on linear pair angles is equal to 180. linear pair का हम लोग ये जानते हैं ना कि एंगल जो होता है linear, that means on straight line angles formed, so they are equal to 180. Sum of both of angles is equal to 180. तो जब दो एंगल को हम ऐड करेंगे तो ये 180 के इक्वल होगा. Okay, so this line is straight line, and angle ACB and angle ACD are linear pair, so measure of linear pair is 180. You can write here then angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 by which property? Linear pair property. Okay, so according to linear pair, angles which are formed on a straight line is equal to 180. लीनियर पेयर के अकॉर्डिंग जो स्ट्रेट लाइन पे जो एंगल्स फॉर्म्ड होते हैं उनका जो मेजरमेंट होता है वो 180 होता है. अंडरस्टूड? सो दिस इज द लीनियर पेयर प्रॉपर्टी. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर दिस इज LHS and this is RHS. So RHS बोथ ऑफ इक्वेशन इज इक्वल 180 180, देखो ये दोनों इक्वल है। जब ये इक्वल होगा दैट मीन दिस लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑल्सो भी इक्वल, इसको भी इक्वल होना होगा। सो ओनली यू हैव टू इक्वल देम from 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2 what you can write? You can write there angle only this LHS, okay, only you have to write LHS, not RHS, because RHS are equal, so you have to equal both of equations there. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to angle 3 plus 4. Now see angle 3, both sides angles, okay, so equal angles, just cut it and write angle 1 plus angle 2, and these angles are interior opposite angles. So you can see, check it here, you can see here that angle 1 plus angle 2, that means sum of, so you can write here sum of interior opposite angles equal to an exterior angle. Okay, so this is the property and how you can prove it. तो इससे in short आप बोल सकते हो, क्या बोल सकते हो, that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Okay, so इससे आप एक चीज बोल सकते हो कि an exterior angle of a triangle, an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite angles. Okay, so this is the property and how you can prove it. So all I explained here. If you have problem in any place, write in my comments box. Okay, so this is the exercise from R.S. Agarwal chapter properties of triangle, and this exercise completely depends on exterior angle properties. Okay, so only you have to pay attention that what is the exterior angle property. आपको आपका जो ये चैप्टर है वो completely based है एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी पे. सो आपको ये ध्यान रखना होगा कि उस एंगल की उस प्रॉपर्टी में किस एंगल्स की बात करते हैं, और वो जो एंगल्स है वो उसमें आपको क्या मेंशन करना है. Okay, so I will take here first question, this question. Okay, so just draw the figure here. So this is the triangle A, B, C, and I produced a side BC to D. Okay, A is given 75 degree, B is given 45 degree, and you have to find out ACT, that means this angle. Okay, you have to find out exterior angle ACT. Understood? So just recall the property. So according to property you have to write that, we know that. So what you know that an exterior angle of a triangle, okay, an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. So its interior opposite angles. You can write here it's two interior opposite angles, no problem. It's interior opposite angles, that means opposite. So only you have to mention this and this. Agar angle, exterior angle formed in this side. Okay, if your exterior angle formed in this side, then you have to mention this opposite angles. Okay, and if your angle be formed like this, then you have to take this and this angle. These are the opposite angles. Okay, opposite interior angles. So I have to mention opposite angles. So its opposite angles is angle A, angle B, and you have to add it. Whatever your addition will come, जो भी आपका sum आएगा, whatever your sum will come, then your sum will be equal to the exterior angle. क्या करना है, पहले ये जो आपका एंगल है, एंगल ए, एंगल बी, उनको ऐड करना है. जो भी सम आपका आएगा, वो जो सम होगा वो आपके एक्सटीरियर एंगल के इक्वल होगा. ओके, सो ओनली यू हैव टू ऐड इट. Therefore angle ACD, so ACD, that means this angle ACD equal to angle ABC plus angle BAC. Yes, you can take simply angle A, angle B. इसको आप separately angle A, angle B लिख सकते हो, but this is not called C. इसको केवल C नहीं लिख सकते हो. Why? Because on C there are two angles formed. Okay, that's why you have to write angle ACB or angle ACD. So ACD is exterior angle. I retain here exterior angle ACD. So exterior angle is an exterior angle is equal to the sum of its two opposite angles. So these are the two opposite angles. Writes its measurement 75 degree and 45 degree. Add both of them 120 degree. So this is your answer. So this angle is 120 degree. Okay, completely same. You can find out question number 2. So in question number 2, book is given in the figure given alongside, that means this figure, find the value of x and y. So in figure I want to point out you that exterior angle is given and one interior angle is given. You have to find out x and y. यहाँ पे आपको एक्सटीरियर गिवन है, एक इंटीरियर गिवन है और x and y को फाइंड आउट करना है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू एक्सटीरियर प्रॉपर्टी, एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी, दैट मीन an exterior angle is equal to the sum of its two opposite angles. समझ में आ रहा है? Exterior angle is equal to the sum of its two opposite interior angles. So these are the two opposite interior angles, that means angle A and angle B. So angle A plus angle B equal to angle ACD. ओके, यहाँ पे ACD हो गया. तो 130 इज गिवन. तो 68 प्लस x इक्वल टू 130. सो 130 माइनस 68, टोटल माइनस 1 एंगल इज इक्वल टू रिक्वायर्ड एंगल. सो x पता चल गया. एंड नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट सम ऑफ एंगल ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज 180. सो उसके थ्रू आपका y निकल जाएगा. ओके, और यू कैन फाइंड आउट y बाय लीनियर पेयर ऑल्सो. तो 3 टाइप से आप निकाल सकते हो एज यू विश. ओके, फर्स्ट वे इज फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट द one angle, that means x degree here, by the property exterior angle property, and y you can find out by linear pair as well as triangles. Okay, sum of angle of a triangle. तो इस तरह से आप निकाल सकते हो. y निकालने का आपके पास 2 ways है. So So I have to form here. This is my triangle. Here is given 130 D A B C. This is y degree. This is x, and this one is 68. Okay, so same thing you have to write. We know that. What do you know that? An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. And this is very important. You have to write down this. Okay, next step is, so you write the property like this. Now you add both of angles. Therefore angle BAC, that means this angle, plus angle ABC equal to angle ACD. So BAC given x degree, ABC given 68 degree, ACD given 130 degree. So x equal to 130 minus 68 degree. Okay, here is some exterior given. Okay, so don't write like this. Equal to, just subtract it, then 62 degree. So x, you know, this is 62, and you have to find out y. So y you can find according to linear pair, or sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. Okay, so I'm going through sum of the angles of a triangle. So next is also. So also what? We know that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay, therefore angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree. Just check it here. BAC, that means this angle, ABC, this angle, and ACB, this angle, is equal to 180 degree. So I have written here. Next step is put the value. So angle BAC 62 degree. Here I find out. So put it here. BAC 62 degree plus 68 degree plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree. Next step, just add both of angles. So when you add it, it becomes 130 degree plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree. Now angle ACB 180 minus 130. Here is 52. So put it your last answer. Hence, okay, ACB is given now. Wait, so ACB is y given, y equal to 50 degree, hence x equal to 62 degree and y equal to 50 degree. It's your answer. This is question number 4. An exterior angle of a triangle measures 110 and its interior opposite angles are the ratio 2:3. Find the angles of a triangle. So first you formed a triangle here. Okay. So according to question, exterior angle of a triangle is 110 degree. And exterior angle of a triangle measures 110. That means its value is 110. Okay. And next point is given that its interior opposite angles are in the ratio 2:3. So always I tell you that whenever you see ratio, just put x after this ratio and you can find the value of x. After this you can find the value of required angles. Okay, so a ratio is given 2:3. I just put x after this digit and I just let it that measure of angle A be 2x and angle B be 3x. Just let it. Okay, so first you have to let the given interior opposite angles be this 2x degree and 3x degree. So I just let it 2x degree and 3x degree. Okay, now you have to find out according to exterior angle properties. So just write, we know that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. So this is your property, and according to this property just put their name. Therefore angle, you can write angle A, angle B, but I'm going to write angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle AC, sorry, wait, is equal to angle BAC plus angle ABC is equal to exterior angle ACT. Okay, so these both angles are interior angles. Okay, these both are interior angles, so you have to find the sum, and this sum is equal to the exterior angle. So BAC is given 2x 3x equal to 100. Now 5x 110. Now x equal to 110 by 5, 22. Okay, so you got value of x. Just put value in the required angles. So angle BAC equal to 2x there, na? BAC 2x, so 2 into 22 degree, 44. Next angle ABC 3x, that means 3 into 22, that means 66 degree. Okay, and last you have to find out all the angles, so you have to find out this angle also. So next point you have to write, also we know that, what you know, that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So just write, therefore angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree. Now BAC 44, 66. So 44 degree, 66 degree plus angle ACB 180. Add both of the angle. So 110 ACB 180 degree. Now angle ACB 180 minus 110, 70 degree. Okay, now put hence angle BAC 44, angle ABC 66, and lastly angle ACB 70 degree. This is your question number 4. Okay, students, so if you have any problem and any question like this, so you can type in my comment box. I will give you reply, and if you have any queries, please write in my comment box. And please don't forget to like and subscribe me. Okay, thank you so much.